Name of the chapter 5 is the acid, bases and salts. So yesterday I have given what is the indicators, and yesterday we discussed about the indicators and what are the indicators. The complex naturally occurring substances which change their color and coming in contact with acidic or basic substances are called the indicators. And natural indicators: litmus paper, turmeric, china rose and phenolphthalein solution. And today we will discuss about the general physical properties of the acid. What are the general physical properties of the acids? First one is they have a sour taste. Physical properties of acids: they have a sour taste. They turn blue litmus solution red, but do not affect red litmus solution, and they do not affect turmeric solution, and they do not affect phenolphthalein solution, and they turn china rose solution to deep pink color. 6.1 Mineral acids such as sulfuric acids, hydrochloric acids and nitric acids are highly corrosive, and they cause painful blister on the skin. They cause painful blister on the skin, and most of the acids are soluble in water. Most of the acids are soluble in water, and all acid solutions in water are good conductors of electricity. All acid solutions in water are good conductors of electricity. So this is the general physical properties of acids. And did you know, you must have seen people getting their copper or brass cooking vessels coated with tin, metal, kalai. Why do they so? Because when we cook food in these vessels without the coating of kalai, the organic acid present in the food materials and react with copper and corrode it, and furthermore the copper salts formed by the acids are poisonous in nature, and the kalai protects the vessels from the action of acids for a while and hence prevents food poisoning. However, these days quite a number of people use stainless steel cooking vessels because they are not affected by the acids present in food material. What is the acid rain? What is the acid rain? Acid rain occurs due to the air pollution, when air is too much polluted, and rain containing minerals of mineral acid and such as sulfuric acid, nitric acid is called the acid rain. And these acids are formed when the air is highly polluted with gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, and due to the excessive burning of coal and petroleum products, the above mentioned gases dissolve in rain droplets and cause the acid rain. And now the acid rain can cause extensive damage to the forest and crops as they die. Furthermore, the acids in acid rain reacts chemically with the building material of houses and historical monuments, thus the building gradually decay. Now we will discuss about the general physical properties of bases. What are the physical properties of bases? They have a bitter taste. They have a bitter taste, and they turn red litmus solution blue, but do not affect the blue litmus solution. They turn yellow turmeric solution reddish brown, and they turn phenolphthalein solution pink. They turn china rose solution green, and bases like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide cause painful blister on skin and are highly corrosive in nature. Most of the bases are insoluble in water. All bases have slippery touch like that of soap. What is the neutralization reaction? What is the neutralization reaction? We have learned that bases turn phenolphthalein solution pink, and the pink color changes to colorless if an acid is added to it. Now let us perform the following activity. Activity 5.5, and in this activity it is given that acids react with alkalis and a neutralization reaction takes place. What are the materials required for the activity? Dilute sodium hydroxide solution, dilute hydrochloric acid or lemon juice, phenolphthalein solution, beaker and dropper. Method: pour about 20 cc of sodium hydroxide solution in the beaker, and to this solution add phenolphthalein solution, and you will notice that solution turns deep pink. First you will take sodium hydroxide solution in the beaker. This is the beaker and you will take sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. And in this you will add phenolphthalein solution. Phenolphthalein solution, and after that you will notice that it turns deep pink. Deep pink. And after that fill the copper, fill the dropper with dilute hydrochloric acid and allow the acid to fall in the beaker, and then HCl hydrochloric acid take, and you have to fall in the beaker drop by drop, and go on stirring the beaker, and you will notice that at some stage by the addition of 1 drop of acid the solution suddenly becomes colorless. After adding the HCl hydrochloric acid the solution becomes colorless, and after that it is because at this stage the sodium hydroxide solution has completely reacted with hydrochloric acid to form salt and water, and thus the last stage and the last drop of hydrochloric acid makes this acid in excess, and hence the color of phenolphthalein changes from pink to colorless. Now touch the beaker immediately after the solution becomes colorless, and you will notice that beaker is warm. Thus we can say that heat is evolved when an acid reacts with bases. So reaction will take place like this. You can see HCl, that is the hydrochloric acid. This is the acid, and name of this hydrochloric. This is the hydrochloric acid, and where it will react with base NaOH, sodium hydroxide. This is the base, name of this sodium hydroxide, and it will react, then it will form NaCl from here, sodium chloride, NaCl, and water, H2O from here, H2O, and heat, H2O and heat. Here acid, when acid react with bases, then sodium chloride will form from here, NaCl and H2O plus heat work. This is the neutralization reaction, and in this you will see that the process due to which an acid completely reacts with the base with the evolution of heat to form salt and water as the only product is called the neutralization. What is the neutralization? The process due to which an acid completely reacts with bases and with the evolution of heat to form salt and water, as you can see in the reaction, and this and water as the only product is called the neutralization reaction. And today we will discuss about the neutralization in everyday life. Indigestion. Sometimes you feel that food is not digested properly, and stomach walls produce gastric juices, and that contains hydrochloric acid, and the gastric juices help in the digestion of food. And when we eat very spicy foods or have worries or tension, the stomach wall produces a large amount of hydrochloric acid, which leads to the acidity of stomach, and one has a burning feeling in the stomach and sour taste in the mouth, and this condition is commonly called acidity of stomach or indigestion. It is not controlled it can damage the walls of the stomach and can cause stomach ulcers. To relieve indigestion, doctors prescribed antacid tablet or syrup, and it contains that antacid tablet or syrup, it contains milk of magnesia and magnesium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide, and this hydroxide neutralizes effect of the acids and hence help in controlling acidity of stomach. Soil treatment. Plants grow well only in the neutral soil, and however sometimes a neutral soil gets acidic due to the excessive use of artificial fertilizers, and the soil also gets acidic if the roots of harvested crops are allowed to decay in it. This in turn reduces the fertility of the soil, and in order to convert acidic soils into neutralized soils, farmers spray it with the calcium oxide, quicklime or calcium hydroxide, slackline. These chemicals neutralizes soil acids and hence soil becomes neutral. Some soils are naturally basic in nature, and in order to make these soils neutral, a large amount of organic manure is added, and the acids present in the organic manure neutralizes the basic chemicals in the soil and make it neutral. Factory wastage. The wastage of many factories contain acids, and these wastes are directly discharged in the river. They kill the fish and other living organisms. So, to prevent such a situation, the wastes are treated with the lime, which neutralizes the effect of acids. Stings of ant and bees. The stings of ant and bees, you can see that it contains formic acid, and when these insects sting, they inject formic acid in our body, and which causes a painful irritation and swelling. To reduce the effect of this formic acid, the area around the sting is rubbed with soap or baking soda solution or calamine, which contains zinc carbonate, and these substances neutralizes the effect of formic acid to some extent and help in relieving pain. Preserving milk for a short period. Preserving milk for a short period. Milk is brought to the cities from the villages by the milk vendors, and in hot climates the natural bacteria present in the milk produces a large amount of lactic acid, which colors the milk, thereby causing to lose the milk vendors. So to prevent that ill effect of lactic acid, the milk vendors adds a small amount of baking soda to the milk. This in turn neutralizes lactic acid and milk does not curdle. Oral questions are given on page number 56. You have to do with yourself. Name an indicator which is colorless in acid and neutral solution but turns deep pink in basic solutions. 6 questions are there and you have to do with yourself. This is all about the chapter 5. Name of the chapter 5, acid, bases and salts. You will take revision of this chapter.